Hey, look, everyone. A frickin' literally knocked out Black and Blue. He's literally black and blue. He's a kitty that is a fluffy ball and he is laying on a blue blanket. Look at him. It's his favorite little cuddle spot. Isn't he cute? Isn't he beautiful? He's gorgeous. He's my little baby. Knocked out cold on his fluffy little blue blanket. I call it his knocked out black and blue. Look, he's twitching his sleep. Isn't that cute? Such a cute little kitty. Aww. Look at this little black and blue. My little prince Fluffy Pot, knocked out cold. Boxing black and blue.